Well, what's happening today is people are coming in from my daughter's, one of her companies that she is working for, Family of Trees, correct? And they have planted this beautiful garden right behind us. I'm really excited. I share with everyone I have a brown thumb, literally a brown thumb. I don't have a green thumb, but I'm really excited about to see the growth and the beautification of my lawn as well as the lawns in the neighborhood. So just really exciting to see kind of like a change in the north side. So I'm very pleased and happy that people are investing, in the inner city. So just to give that beauty.
I'm a part of MNIPL and Family of Trees. That's how I got involved in the community of building these gardens and going all over North Minneapolis to put the beauty in the homes. It's been really good because we get to explore Minneapolis, like places that we've never seen. We get to meet neighbors that we've never known and build a connection with all of them and help them become better people. Because a lot of people I've noticed have brown thumbs, and we're trying to get a green thumb because not everybody starts with the green thumb.
Well, what we're doing here today is we're putting in a prairie garden, all right, and it's designed for shady areas, and also putting in a line of shrubs along the property line just to create, kind of create a square. I'm excited. I want this, I want this to work. So I'm going to actually have to learn how to get out and water at least a couple times a week. Put that on my to-do list. So it's something I'm not used to doing. And if I learn how to do that through some other projects around the yard I want to do, I want to get some climbing vines in the backyard and maybe fix up the gardens in the backyard as well.
I don't have a lot of knowledge about gardening, so with this program, it's kind of going to kind of enlighten me on, how to, keep a beautiful garden. You see lots of great landscaping across the city, and now I can be one of those owners of that beautiful garden. So, yeah. It's
educational for me. It gets me into something I'm not really familiar with. Literally get my hands dirty with it. And it's sort of a new adventure in that sense.
Well, I first started out with my family and people I knew. So I got them all involved. I made sure that they were off well. And then from there, I just reached out to their people. So I was like, hey, maybe you're at an event. I'm like, oh, do you need a garden? And you start just networking yourself out there, and more people come in. And, by networking myself, I just got more contacts. And they're like, oh, can I have one and this and this? And then the community just grew. At first, I didn't really know a lot about climate change and climate justice, but when I started getting involved with those nonprofits, it really opened my eyes about the things that were affecting me. And that's a big reason why I started doing it. It's like, if it's affecting me, it's affecting my friends and my family, so why not be a part of the change to make it better for us and our future generations?